Masks and virtual learning both are back in the conversation as students get ready to return to class, some as soon as later this week.
And for doctors and nurses, well, it's a feeling of dread and deja vu as IC beds near capacity at several major hospitals. We have live team coverage. Sion Rhodes on schools and Courtney ZUBOWSKI on hospitals. Courtney, we begin with you at the Texas Medical Center.
Dominique, the medical professionals we talked to said that this fourth wave of COVID could be the worst yet for Houston. It was the most heartbreaking 3 hours of this Houston mother's life.
The fact that I couldn't even be with her at the time of that she needs me the most.
Her COVID-positive 11-month-old daughter, who was seizing with a fever of 104, flown to a hospital in Temple last week because she says there were no beds available in Houston.
It was just really scary having to just give my daughter to a bunch of strangers and then them airlift her to a hospital in Temple, Texas.
The number of positive cases in Houston area hospitals is surging. Dr. Joseph Arone says he thought he had seen the worst of COVID.
Every bed that I have allocated for COVID is full with patients.
Until last weekend, when 5 patients died.
I've been an intensivist for decades, and I've never had so many patients die in one night like Saturday night.
ICU beds in the Texas Medical Center are nearing capacity. Bentop Hospital is at 95% capacity. 27% of those patients are COVID positive. Elective surgeries there are on hold. At LBJ Hospital, the ICU there is at 100% capacity. 63% are COVID positive. It's there that they are outfitting a tent to house more patients. And at Methodist hospitals,
we anticipate that this one will surpass all of the other 3 waves.
They now have about 645 COVID patients, but that number is going up about 50 patients per day, not to mention the patients that are in the hospital for non-COVID reasons.
We are opening more and more capacity and beds as we have the staff and stretching our staff to be able to care for both populations.
Of all of the patients in ICU in Houston Methodist, about a third are COVID positive. Memorial Hermann announced today that no visitors will be allowed beginning Wednesday. We have reached out to Texas Children about their numbers, but have not heard back. Live in the Texas Medical Center, Courtney ZUBOWSKI, KPRC 2 News.